dielectric union on a water heater. Dielectric union. When you put galvanized metal and copper together, it creates a galvanic reaction. Copper, who's tougher, will beat the crap out of this and make it corrode from the inside out. So we've all seen photos where there's corrosion all over this. That could have been what was at work. Why plumbers still? Go ahead. No.
That it could have been avoided by a simple.
Right. And there's what's called a dielectric union, which is brass or plastic, and it separates the two. Or some of those already come with the separation, some of the flexible lines. But that's what happens, and you'll see that on your reports, lack of a dielectric union galvanic reaction. It's another long-term issue that is present. You can explain it, that look, this is what causes it. It can't be taken off, not a big deal. You can actually cut this here, put one of those shark bites. Do any of you know what a shark bite is? This is old style plumbing. They sweat, meaning you have to solder and heat up the copper, and then it melts. Takes a little bit of a skill. This is a shark bite. It's a push and connect. It's incredible, and it works. This thing is very reliable. Cut here, put this in between them, or change your bottom portion, put this in between it, and reconnect. And this turns while it's on. These things are awesome. They're expensive, but they're awesome. This union here is probably $1. This one's $8. But the amount of work that it takes to put this on, well worth it. Any more questions on the water heater?
Why would plumbers choose to put two different materials then? If they corrode?
Old school, non-licensed plumbers, handymen.
My deal.
Pepe, Paco. Yes, sir.
On the new ones, they're doing a lot of plastic tubing. They don't do plastic tubing anymore, or to buy a lot of it, they have to do copper for.
No, PEX. It's called PEX. PEX is allowable in there, but you have to have these, we call them nipples in a water heater. That's what goes into your water heater.
From your experience, would you prefer the PEX or would you prefer the copper?
PEX.
Right, okay.
Yeah. Copper breaks when it freezes real easy. I mean, it'll pop. It also has, depending on where the copper's from, it has a copper pitting issue, and it just develops pits and starts leaking.
And it's expensive.
Yeah, and PEX is so much easier to work. I mean, you can put a hole in the wall, bend it over instead of having to put one section, solder or solder one piece, do an ID. It's much easier. Plus, it doesn't get stolen when you have new construction.